For the lab 3 problem 1, logistic regression, I am implementing the logistic regression using the breast cancer Wisconsin set. The data set consists of data on breast cancer tumors along with the classification of whether the tumor is benign or malignant. Logistic regression model is created to predict tumor status based on prediction factors. So here I am importing the data, and then the data has the following columns as sample code, clump thickness, etc. We are taking class. In the last column, class, the value 2 represents the cancer is benign and the value 4 represents the cancer is malignant. So and then importing the data, and here I am creating one hot vectors. One hot vectors has a truth value as 1. So I'm for the value 2, I'm taking the array as 1, 0, and for the value 4, 0, 1. Now again I'm then training the data with extra y test, etc. with learning rate as 0.1 and number of training runs as 100. So here again I'm then writing it to the tensor board and calculating the predictions accuracy, and then printing the accuracy, which is total correct predictions by y-test shape of 0. So when I run this, for the 100 iterations, I see the loss as this, and the accuracy is calculated as 0.67%. Now I change the hyperparameters, that is I'm changing the learning rate as 0.3, and number of iterations, instead of 100 I'm taking 1000 and then running it. So if I see now, even for the 1000 iterations, the accuracy is 0.67, which is 67%, which is, when I compare the results of both, it is almost the same. So even with the change of hyperparameters, the accuracy did not change in this case. Then now again, now I'm printing the graph to the tensor board. This is the linear regression graph tensor boards.
Hello, this is Kate Williams talking about Lab 3, Problem 2. I basically took the Word2Vec code from class that we used in class. I replaced the dataset with the text of an Edgar Allan Poe short story from Project Gutenberg. The program works mostly the same as it does in the class, in that it takes the words, treats them like numbers, and then sees what words are closer together to try and work out the word enumeration. Down at the bottom, I have my results, which I just list out the hyperparameters I changed, and since that's not really visually interesting, I also copy and pasted my data into a spreadsheet so you can see that too, and that's going to be in the GitHub. Thank you.